Hey everyone, welcome back to Okamsozor, the place where we explore natural remedies that are safe, effective, and simple to make. Today, we're going to make a DIY painkiller that's 100% natural. No pills, no chemicals, just pure kitchen magic. Many over-the-counter painkillers can be harsh on your stomach or liver if taken often. Nature, on the other hand, gives us powerful herbs and spices that have been used for centuries to fight pain and inflammation. And that's what we're tapping into today. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, a golden spice packed with curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. 1 teaspoon fresh ginger helps improve circulation, reduces swelling, and eases soreness. 1 tablespoon raw honey soothes your throat, adds natural sweetness, and supports your immune system. 1 cup warm water, just warm enough to dissolve honey, but not boiling to protect the nutrients. These ingredients are affordable, widely available, and they work beautifully together. Start by adding turmeric and ginger to your favorite mug or a heat-safe glass. Pour in the warm water. Remember, not boiling. We want to keep those beneficial compounds intact. Add in the honey and stir until everything is well combined. You should see that gorgeous golden color start to shine through. Take a deep breath. Smell that? Earthy, spicy, and soothing. Now, sip slowly and let your body relax. Here's why this works. Turmeric reduces inflammation, which is a common cause of pain. Ginger can help with nausea, muscle aches, and even menstrual discomfort. Honey supports your immune system and makes the drink more palatable. Together, they create a natural synergy, working on your pain from multiple angles. This tea works best for mild, everyday aches, like tension headaches, sore muscles after a workout, or menstrual cramps. If you're on blood thinners, have gallbladder issues, or are pregnant, check with your doctor first before trying turmeric and ginger in large amounts. And that's it, a quick, natural painkiller you can make in minutes. Pro tip, make a big batch, keep it in a thermos, and sip throughout the day for ongoing relief. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next natural wellness recipe. Until next time, stay healthy and keep it natural.